What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I bring you this Audi R8. I cannot be any more excited to bring this car to you guys. What a car to be featuring on the channel. Hit that like button straight away, because there's no way you cannot like this car. Put your comments below, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. And you know what? Let's just get in this car. Let's meet Chris. Let's hear all about it. Let's get out for a drive and hear some nice sounds.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone.
Right, guys, well, as introduced, here we are. We're inside the Audi R8. What's your name, mate?
Chris.
Chris. What's inspired you to get the car?
Well, just about the looks and the power, you know. Yep. It's always a dream car for me to try and get it to own.
Yeah.
I purchased that Red Line down in Harrogate there.
Yeah.
There was a good deal on it. Bought it 2.5 years ago. Done some alterations to it. Personalised it. And love it to bits.
Yeah. Well, 2.5 years, that's some owner's experience there as well, isn't it?
Yeah. I haven't found anything better that I would like. I mean, originally I was going to buy a Gallardo. However, these are a Gallardo with different bodies.
Absolutely.
Servicing costs are down on this, so we're okay. I found a local lad there who service it, looks after it for me. So, you know, apart from that, it puts a smile on my face every day.
Puts a smile on everyone's face. Everyone you're passing, heads are turning, and what have you, aren't they? So.
They all appreciate it as well. Sometimes in the Ferrari they go, but it seems to me everyone loves the R8.
Everyone loves the R8. You can't not. What is there not to love about them? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So personalising touches. What are they?
Exhaust system.
Yep.
We've got a little gate there where you can quieten it down, so when I leave the housing estate, I leave the valve shut, and then you can open the valve straight up, and then you get all the noise. R8s were never nice on the noise side of it. That's what was missing on the R8. So changing it, it's transformed the car.
God, I can't believe, guys, we got to this stage that we're actually in an Audi R8. Like, mate, this is amazing. So I want to thank you very, very, very much for that. Engine spec, what are we?
We're supposed to be standard at 420, but there's some modifications being done on the engine.
Yep. So we're 420 brake. What is the engine size? What is the whole lot of it?
4.2 V8.
Yes.
Obviously mid-engined.
Yeah.
Lots of noise, lots of power.
Driving here as well. We've just felt there the steering response very responsive. It's as stiff as I don't know what, isn't it? Yeah. But as much as it's stiff, it feels nice on the road still. So yeah, it's a nice car. It's a very, 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 very nice car. And I tell you what, guys, getting into it as well, spacious. Yeah. Like, I thought you'd be really, really cramped in, but you haven't. You've got loads of space. You feel like you can see everything. There's no blind spots like you thought there'd be. Obviously, your rear window's a bit like, you know what I mean? You can't see much of that, but what you expect, you know what I mean?
On the instrument cluster, it's all about the driver. There's not a great deal over that side, but here is everything in front of you.
Absolutely,
everything you need's there for you. Manual, quite sought after.
Yes.
The Tiptronic ones were a bit slow, a bit clunky stuff. So, yeah, I prefer the manual.
Get in there. Right, well, guys, you know what? I think that says enough there. We'll just get out. We'll drive by, we'll get some nice sounds, because I know, guys, that is what you are waiting to hear. So let's just get out, guys, and get some driving done.
best thing, transforming that on the exhaust.
Yeah, it's definitely made a change like from stock, hasn't it? 100%. Yeah. So exhaust system was it?
Top gear, top gear F1, yeah. I took my time trying to find the right exhaust system for it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, well you need to, don't you, with this, yeah. It sounded unbelievable. Well, there is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. What is there not to enjoy? Look at this beast, hear this beast. What an absolute beast. Hit that like button, guys. Comment below, tell me what you think. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Until the next video, guys, peace out and take care.